So, hello, welcome everyone once again. This is where we're going to be wrapping up our section on how to use JavaScript to change the text value. So, you remember this from our last lesson. So, I just added this change text tag. So, the issue here was because the other time I was using a small s instead of camel casing of naming the font style. So, I've corrected it here and I've also added another thing. So what I added, let's just do it together. So you see how I got this on the page. So button type is just like the usual thing that we've been doing. Then I call the on-click method. I get the elements on the page that I want to manipulate using the get element by ID. Okay, and the element here is demo. Then I want to add this property inner HTML to save a new text which should display the above how you can change text value. I close it, then I close the button and I'll add a simple text, click me, and then I can close the button. So you can see. Now let's now check it in the browser. Don't forget I've been previewing this in the browser. That's clicking on my editor and then opening with live server. So let's see what this fetches us. You can see change text color to red, change text style, it increases the value, change the weight, it's bold, change text style to italics, and finally I want to change the text value entirely. When I click on click, you can see the above how you can change text value. So these are different ways you can use JavaScript to work with HTML elements and manipulate them to whatever thing you desire or that you are trying to get in your program. So this is going to be the end of this lesson. We are going to continue in the next one. I'll see you in the next one. So take time to practice things that we have talked about from the beginning of this lesson so that you internalize it and commit it to memory. Only continue when you feel that you are confident enough to proceed in this lesson. Thank you. I'll see you.